In this video, you are going to see how to combine text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Here I have the first name and I have the last name. If I want to combine this in a full name, let me write here full name and input the equal sign and write here concatenate here. Let me click on over here. Now I have to choose the text on and from your keyboard input the comma. Now I have to write the text to. Now close the bracket and hit enter. But you will see there is no space between text on and text to. I have to make it more smooth. Let me click on over here. Go to after text on and from your keyboard input the double inverted comma and hit the space and again input the double inverted comma and hit the comma. So here you will see the A2 is the text on and there is a text 2, that is the space, and the text 3 is B2 and hit enter. Here you will get the space. Now drag it down and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.